This video is going to be how to use a beaded number line to teach rounding. Rounding is an extremely abstract concept for the students to understand. They don't really understand it through poems or songs. So if we show them visually how to do rounding, this may help them understand and build a strategy for them moving forward. Let's start with rounding with nearest 10. We can only do nearest 10 when we only have 100 beads. But hopefully by starting with the nearest 10, they will understand when to round and why. So let's start with the number 17. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So here is 17. So there's 17. So when we look at the number 17, we can see on a number line that 17 is closer to 30 than it is to 20. I'm sorry, that it is to 10, which is why we're going to round 17 up to 20 because it's closer to 20. Let's look at the number 24. So here's the number 24. Here is the number 20. Here is the number 30. So the students can see that the number 24 is closer to 20 than it is to 30. So they know that rounding the number 24, it would round to 20. If we look at a number like 38, (10, 20, 38). So here's the number 38. Here's the number 40. Here's the number 30. So if I'm looking at the number 38, we can clearly see that the number 38 is closer to 40 than it is to 30. So we're going to round 38 to 40. What happens when we have the number 45? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. So here's the number 45. Here's the number 50. Here's the number 40. As you can tell, 45 is equidistant to both 40 and 50. Why do we move 5? When it ends in a 5, why do we round it up? Way back when, the math world decided to round when it ends in a 5 to just round up, which is why we round, anytime we end in a 5, we round it up. I hope this helps when you're beginning to teach about rounding for the students.